Welcome back to Good Day State Line. Sara from Dady Law is joining us tonight. We're going to play a few games. I think you have two for me today. Do you?
No, I just have one.
Just one
but
game.
But it's a really good one.
A really good game. I'm so excited. And I'm excited to have you on our new set at our new time.
It's beautiful.
It's a little more comfortable than the previous chairs. I just have to say. So Sara, tell us a little bit, just, we like to do this at the beginning, just a reminder of what you do.
Sure. I'm an immigration attorney. My law firm is Dady Law Group.
Mm-hmm.
I practice family-based immigration. So helping people with visas and visas for victims of crimes who cooperate with law enforcement.
Awesome. Okay, so we're going to start with a game. It's a celebrity game you brought up?
It is a celebrity game.
So what's the game?
Okay, so you're going to have to guess if these celebrities were born in the U.S. or not born in the U.S.
Okay, all right.
U.S. citizen or immigrant.
Okay, this is gonna be a fun game. I only know one of the answers because she totally
I let it slip.
But that's it. I don't know the rest of
them.
them. All right, I think Danica has to probably bring up the questions. Jennifer Aniston.
Okay.
So
was Jennifer Aniston born in the United States as a U.S. citizen or outside of the United States?
I think she's Greek, but I think she was born here. Because isn't her dad? Yeah. Okay, he was an actor.
She was born here.
Whew, all right, number 2. Let's see who this is. Natalie Portman. Okay, I want to say that she was born elsewhere.
Why do you want to say that?
Just because I feel like it's the right answer.
Well, it is the right answer. Natalie Portman was born in Israel.
Yes. Oh, I was going to guess that. Okay, but I didn't mention that because I wasn't sure. But I feel like maybe I've heard her talk about that before. Okay, Amy Adams is the one that I know because Sarah's reading and she's like, oh, I didn't know Amy Adams was born in Italy. So Italy, I didn't know she was Italian.
Yes, Amy Adams was not born in the United States. She was born in Italy.
I had no idea. Do you know that she doesn't like being interviewed?
That's
a fun fact I have about her. She hates going on talk shows.
Well, I feel like most Italians that I know really enjoy talking.
Me?
So that's very strange
I know,
that
it's very
she
strange.
doesn't enjoy talking.
All right, who else we got? Ooh, okay.
Bruce Willis, born in the U.S. or not in the U.S.?
I have no idea, but because the last two were born elsewhere, I'm going to say he was born in the United States.
Wrong. Michelle, I think this is the first question you've ever gotten wrong.
How did you bring me the celeb
Bruce
question?
Willis was born in Germany. His
I had no
mother's
idea.
German and his father is a U.S. citizen.
Aren't you shocked that the social studies questions you got me, I got right all the other times, and I can't do these celebrity
You can't do the pop culture.
No, what is this about? We have another one? Nicole. Okay, she was not born here. Was she? She was born here?
Oh my gosh, you're wrong again, Michelle. Nicole Kidman was born in the United States. She was born in Hawaii.
I thought she was born
in
Australia.
She's a dual citizen. She grew up in Australia.
I should read more about that.
So, she comes by the Australian accent honestly.
Yeah.
And I guess the U.S. one too, because she was actually born in the U.S.
Why was she born in Hawaii? Do you know?
No.
Okay.
Nicole and I aren't that close, Michelle. I don't talk to her very often.
Like, was she just born there because her parents got stuck there, or what? I'm going to read about that later. Okay, Selena Gomez. I think she was born in America.
You're correct.
Okay, I think I knew.
She was born in Texas.
She's my. I want to say she's my friend. She doesn't know me, but I do love Selena Gomez. We're not really friends. Okay, so
but before we go to myth or fact,
yeah.
So isn't it interesting that Bruce Willis could never be president of the United States?
Yes.
Because he was born outside the U.S. But Nicole Kidman, who we all believe is Australian because she grew up in Australia, she was born in the U.S., so she could be president of the United States.
You know, my favorite fact of the recent history is the new Meghan Markle baby could be president.
Yes.
That's like one of my favorite thoughts. So we do have a myth or fact, I think. Maybe
yeah, we do.
Okay.
Myth or fact? Immigrants are twice as likely to start a small business than U.S.-born citizens.
I'm going to go with fact.
That is a fact.
All right. See, I'm good at the word questions. That's what it is.
And it's also a fact that small businesses drive our job creation. Mm-hmm. So the more small businesses that we have, the more jobs we have in the U.S.
Love that one.
So immigrants really drive our economic growth. They
Very
always
cool.
have, and
Very
they still do.
All right, so quickly before we go, you got any updates on the Immigration Act to share with me?
I wish I had better news. We still need the DREAM Act to pass the U.S. Senate. We've got over 30,000 Dreamers living in the state of Illinois who have no way to apply for legal status. So we need the Senate to pass the DREAM Act so then they can apply for legal status here. And these are people that speak with an American accent.
Yeah.
Have been here since they were babies. We also still need the U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021 to pass.
Okay.
So then their parents can also apply for legal status in the U.S.
Well, I know you're going to be back in a couple weeks, so like fingers crossed, maybe
Fingers
we'll have
crossed.
some more information.
Fingers
by
crossed
then.
Congress does the right thing.
All right. Thank you so much, Sarah, for stopping by
Thanks,
and
Michelle.
stumping me with Bruce Willis. When we come back, a wedding dress is custom made to complement your skin tone at a brand new bridal boutique in Beloit. And then we're on the phone with our Throwback Thursday winner. We'll be right back.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Dady Law Group, LLC,